Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone. And today in this video we're going to work on this. Drive someone up the wall. Drive someone up the wall. How could it be? Well, this doesn't mean that to drive somebody up the wall. It means to get angry, okay? To make someone angry, okay? If I drive you up the wall means that I have made you angry. Angry, really angry, okay? Angry is not something like this. Drive someone up the wall is much higher than that, okay? So I might tell you something and you get angry. Or if I repeat that, you will be very angry, let's say. But if I go higher, then you would not say he made me angry, or you would not say he made me very angry, or something like this. You know, sometimes these words are very short, expressing how angry I am, okay? Then we use expressions and we say, he drove me up the wall, means he made me angry. And by this, we know how angry, okay? We show how angry we are, how we feel by using the expression. This shows the amount a bit more clear, okay? So, you can be driven up the wall or you can drive someone up the wall. So over here we've got the subject, okay, it can be you, okay, or we have the object over here, which again can be you. So somebody drove me up the wall, or they drove us up the wall. So over here, instead of somebody, you can put anyone you like, but in the objective form, okay? So I can say she drives me, okay? Or she drove me up the wall. So instead of someone, say me, you, them, us, okay? Let's now look at the examples, it will be more clear. Stop whistling that tune, you're driving me up the wall. Okay, someone is whistling and just repeating this in a tune, in a cycle, and makes us mad. It gets on our nerve. That's another way to say that. Means to make someone angry. So I ask the person to stop that because that is driving me up the wall. That is making me angry. Okay. All his talk about moving to California nearly drove me up the wall. So imagine a party, in a gathering, meeting some people, some friends. Someone is there and he's all he's talking is directly or indirectly or relating to moving to California. And this story of moving to California makes me angry because it gets repeated again and again. He goes on and on about the same thing and makes me angry. So instead of saying all his talk about moving to California made me angry is really normal. Well, when I say drove me up the wall, means, you know, the way, even if you write this down, when you say made me angry, the person just reads it. But when you say drove me up the wall, the reader increases the voice and gets the feeling, okay? So expressions mainly are there to show the feeling, okay? So we are using this to say how angry we've got because of the story, because of this moving to California, talking about this, okay? And now over here, let him alone and let him work. Stop driving him up the wall. Okay, someone is doing something, someone is busy with his work, and we're just picking on them, we're just annoying them, okay, we're just nagging about something, and someone else tells us off, says let him alone, let him alone, let him do whatever he's doing, stop annoying the person, let him alone and let him work, okay? Stop driving him up the wall, do not make him angry, okay? So over here, driving him, you can see we've got a different one. Over here is driving me, and drove me, but it doesn't mean that it should always be drive me. When we're talking about ourselves, yeah, that's right. Say she drove me, or she drove us, or we can change it and talk about someone else. Okay, so it's not always me. That's why I'll put someone, can be anybody. Alright, I hope this video has had something new for you and you've learned something from this, and we'll see you in the next video then. Till then, bye bye.